Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Good morning, I hope everybody is doing awesome. Happy Sunday morning, and here's my breakfast smoothie recipe. So I got some strawberries, fresh strawberries I picked up yesterday, some bananas, some blueberries, and some fresh spinach. And I got my flaxseed ground and my moringa, and I'm gonna use some filtered water. I'm just gonna blend it up and have my breakfast smoothie. Have an awesome day. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.